Hey, good morning, Metropolis. It's now 5 after the hour of 6 a.m. in the big monster city. Temperature's a balmy.
National Weather Service in Maine has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern ANDROSCOGGIN County in southwest Maine, western SAGADAHOC County in south central Maine, central Cumberland County in Maine until 3:45 p.m. At 3:08 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Range Pond State Park, or 7 miles southwest of Auburn, and moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Some locations in the warning include but are not limited to Lisbon Falls, Top Shem, and Freeport.
Incorporated.
Hey look, Betty!
Carefully matching every child to their ideal monster to produce superior scream, refined into clean, dependable energy. Every time you turn something